Alright, so some GIMP basics. So I have uploaded the checklist on here, and you guys can open the Word checklist by clicking here, and you can add answers to them. I hope that all your answers are yeses, and not to just say yes to say, oh, Mr. Yang, I did the checklist, but also to make sure that I understand the concept of layers, okay? And if you don't understand it, guess what? You come and ask me, and after you ask me, you understand, you can put an X in yes here, and then there's a submission button for you. My view is a little bit different from yours, so and everyone will create a different copy to submit to me, so I can see everyone's answer in here. And then once you're done one of the word art, you can actually reply here as a comment to post your picture to me. Okay, so let's take a look. So how do you start? File, new, click OK. So I can click the A here, the word. Okay, the word tool. Okay, and I can change the size by the text box size actually by doing here. But if you want to change the word size, you need to change it here, like one. Oh, you need to select the words, right, and then change it to bigger sizes, right? Okay, bigger sizes, so you can type the numbers. Okay, so if I want to change the color, I can go here, change color to selected text. Okay, and I can change it to like purple or pink, yeah. And then I want to actually put these two words in another color. I can actually do something like this, for example. Okay, so up to you, right? And so there are different projects, 3 short projects in those tutorials, so do watch them and follow them. So I'm not going to repeat it here. Okay, so I want to show you some other things that you may or may not know by doing the word art. Okay, so there are actually other cool things you can do. For example, you can actually go to filter. You can go to shadow. Let me see. Enhance. Okay, yeah. So how do you do a shadow, right? Okay. First of all, let me see here. Discard text information, text to path, text a long path. Okay. So I can actually, what I can do is I can actually merge down the photo, the words. So now this is actually not text anymore. This is actually pixelized. Okay. So what I can do is I can actually oh, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done a layer with transparency actually. So I can actually do layer mode, normal. Okay, transparency, great. Okay, and I can actually merge the transparency with the words so that, hey, this is all transparent, right? So what I can do is I can copy and paste this word, and I can actually blur it. And the reason why I want to blur it is so that there are some really cool effects you can do. Let me see here. You can unlock these X and Y. So you can, X means just horizontal, Y means vertical. So then right now you have an effect going on that is yeah, so it's actually kind of blurry on the background of these words. And let me just move the order. Okay. 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 Or let me see. Let me go back here. Okay. Something strange is going on. Let me save the project. So I can actually save the project here in Documents, close it. Let me just restart the GIMP. Something funny is going on. Okay, and I can go to File, Open Recent, and there's the project there. Okay, something strange. What's going on? Okay, anyway. So I can go to the background, go to and tileable linear motion blur, for example. Yeah, so you can actually see some blurriness going on. So all I'm doing is I'm actually doing it to the background. But if you actually layer the word on top of the background, it actually looks pretty cool, right? Okay. So there are these things you can experiment using, light and shadow, for example. Okay, let's actually do light and shadow. Okay, so let me just choose the background word again. And then let's choose, I can put the white background on, I guess. But make sure you choose the right layer that you're working with, right? Otherwise, you're just kind of putting things in the background, which is white, which doesn't do anything. Light and shadow, for example, I just want to try supernova, for example. Ooh. Wow, there's a dot in there, right, going on. Okay. Radius. Wow. So you can experiment with some of these cool things and get familiar with using them, right? So when you need to use them, you know what to use, right? Wow, that's pretty cool. And then I can try to use filter, for example. Let me see here. Let's explore another shadow. Gradient flare, drop shadow, for example. Not that obvious. Oh, I can see the outline here. Okay, see? So now your words have a shadow, right? Okay, so that's pretty cool. So we can do something else too. So get creative. There's no way that you can learn everything in this course about what this program can do, but there are a lot of cool things that you can explore doing. Not just with pictures, but with words and also posters design in the future. Okay.